It's everybody's favorite turkey leftover recipe. It's turkey tetrazzini. The prep for this is really easy. Just a little bit of chopping. Celery, onion, mushrooms. You're gonna grate some Parmesan cheese, chop some parsley. Of course, shred your leftover turkey. You can cook the pasta ahead of time, but don't rinse it. And before you drain it, make sure you save some of that pasta water. The sauce is an easy saute of the vegetables and spices. Then you're gonna add some flour along with white wine and chicken stock to thicken. If you don't have any white wine, try dry vermouth. It's a good substitute, or just add more chicken stock. Add the heavy cream and simmer this for a minute or two. Then toss the turkey with the pasta, peas, sauce, Parmesan cheese. Stir this together and transfer this to a casserole, then thin with a little bit of the pasta water to get it to the right consistency. You can throw a crunchy topping together really easily by combining melted butter, panko breadcrumbs, and Parmesan cheese. Add a little parsley in there as well, and sprinkle this on top of the casserole. Bake at 375 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes, or until it's bubbling on the sides and brown on top. Now try to wait a few minutes before digging in. This is hot. Then you know what to do.